What's up everyone, this is Undead Gaming here with some World of Warships. Let's get right into this. Sorry for not having a video yesterday. I got even worse sick. But we'll be right into this in a minute. Long guys. Okay guys, so it seems like there's some kind of a bonus. But we're gonna be playing as a ship again. How much? There's only 11,000 players. It's all on sale? What? Still need 2,000 more. But yeah, they're all like percentages off. That's cool. I can get to an aircraft carrier. That'll be awesome. Okay, go back to port. Let's battle with our ship. The 200% up thing. Two aircraft carriers. That's scary. Those things do damage. See, I'm better than him. No, I'm not. Immobility, and that's it. Let's start game. Ooh, the ice caps. We're in the Titanic scene. There we go. Okay. Let's go into map. It's kind of direct our tank. Let's go about there. Those two should be going that way. See if I were them, but I'm not, so let's go there. No, not so far though. There. Okay, good.
Battle starts.
Okay, so yeah, let's get into this, guys. I'm still a little sick though. So
good luck, everyone.
Alright, as we move off. Don't see the aircraft carrier on our team now. I think it might be that one or that guy there. There's not much to hide behind though.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Good. Zoom in.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Drop a couple more. Probably gonna have to aim a little lower though. Okay, I gotta move a tad to there. Hit. Yes, hit. There we go, guys. Sorry. Yeah, hopefully I get over this cold, but we should be getting regular uploads again pretty soon. Turn a tad that way. Ooh, that was a good hit, but nothing that can't be fixed. Holy fuck, guys. Okay, let's turn around. What? No. Mark, heal. Oh, no! Our first destroyed. The first time we were ever destroyed. Okay, can you... I want to watch my sink ship. Fuck you. Go back to my dead corpse. Alright, whatever. Let's go. Exit to port. We'll still get the XP if our team wins. I don't think we will, though. Who plays a new ship or what? I have a tier 2 in this, so. Was it all modified up? So, okay, let's go battle with this guy then. Huh. Well, last game was a little bit bad. Horrible. Shitty. I had no idea he had torpedoes. About there. And just max up the speed. There, guys. Alright. Let's get into this. That's more penetrating. Told you. There.
Action station.
Okay, here we go. The Nazi flag. Just watch it on the map. Nope. What does P do? I don't know. All I know is I have 10 cannons. Let's see, man.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Let's do a max turn right. No. Okay, let's tab in. Can I hit anyone? I can hit this prick. Ooh, 4 shots out. Let's load all the cannon guns. Fire. We have 12 shots. Power none of those here. How about there? Go higher. Oh, close. Up there. Sunk. There we go. Well, hello, you. Let's turn our ship. Alright, guys. Up another. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Fire on him. Keep firing. Keep firing on that ass. There area.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Let's turn.
Our team is taking the lead.
It's too late to turn back. Ooh, that guy looks big. Let's just keep firing on him though. Let's do one.
The ship is on fire.
Unload those. That seems to be hurting him a lot more. Keep unloading on this motherfucker. Oh, I'm hurt though. Come on guys, we can keep unloading on this prick. I'm not going down without a fight. Keep unloading. Come on. You got him. Oh, fuck.
Don't fire at your allies. Don't fire at your allies.
Alright.
Torpedoes to starboard. Don't fire at your allies.
There we go. Got him. Now that's how you do it, guys. That's how you win a battle. One destroyed. 170 hits. Oh, back to port. I only have 1,000. Plus 2. Alright, let's keep going. Now that's a good note. Oh my god. How are you? Worse than you. What the fuck? Whatever. Let's go into battle. And after this one, I'm gonna end it. But the Germans really do a good paint job. I like bar. Oh fuck, guys. Ow, that hurt. Alright, let's go now. Once I get there, there's bound to be some enemies, because they'll probably be 3 about right there. Oh, what's they get? I think I have to be within 3 spots to be able to hit them.
Battle start.
Let's aim them. Boom, it sunk right there. Which means 3 blocks, yeah. 3 blocks. We can actually watch that on the map. That's so cool. Look at him go. It all sunk right there. Yeah, so it's 3 squares.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Yes, I know. Oh, crap. Turn back. Shit, guys. I don't know, I might be uploading every other day. I hope I can get better. Oh, fuck, guys. I'm really sorry, and if I knew how to edit out coughing, I would. I'm not gonna hit land. Look. I'm fine. I think. I hope to God I'm fine. Okay, let's tab in. Oh shit, it's an ambush, guys. Continue firing on him. Aim these guns over here. We got a couple shots out on him. Aim back here. Put some more shots on you. Even more shots on you. I'm gonna fucking ram in this prick. I can't help you, man. Oh, you don't want to ram, huh? Huh? You don't like ramming, do you? Hey, where are my ass guns? Guns? Let's take a turn. Oh yeah. Progress. Keep turning. Unload. Unload again. We've always had the lead. See, people go for the objectives. I more like... Ass. Well, at the 2-on-1, I'm coming to help, boy. Can't let my team die. As we slowly see the ship sinking. Like how no one's coming to help this guy. Fuck, there's no one here. Oh my god, sinking ships. It's the Titanic, guys. It's the Titanic. Ooh, he's really hurt. And boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. What's about level? Boom, 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 boom. About there. Should be perfect for hitting the front. What the fuck? A little bit lower. Come on, hit. Fuck you. Fine, I'll shoot right at your ship. Burn, bitch. You're going down. There we go, guys.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Come on, please say yes. At least I destroyed one. 72 critical hits. Okay. So I set 6 people on fire. That's good. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.